In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo. We'll move through the core areas of the platform so you can confidently navigate, configure essentials, and start building out your marketing. Start by opening the Klaviyo dashboard. This is your command center. From here, head to the home view to get oriented. Home gives you a quick snapshot of performance, recent activity, and shortcuts to common tasks. It's a great place to confirm you're in the right account and that your data is flowing as expected. Next, go to Campaigns. This section lists your one-time sends, such as newsletters or promotions. At the top of the table, check all rows to select everything at once. This is useful for bulk actions and for scanning statuses without missing anything due to pagination or filters. If you're starting fresh, this helps you see a clean slate. When you're ready, click Create Campaign. This opens the campaign builder where you'll choose a channel, set a name, and later define recipients and scheduling. A quick tip: adopt a clear naming convention now to keep reporting organized. Move over to flows. Flows are your automated journeys like welcome series or browse abandonment. Use this page to review available templates and understand triggers, timing, and messaging. Keep new automations in draft until you've tested them end to end. Now open website within the forms area. This is where you manage pop-ups, flyouts, and embedded forms that feed your list growth. Use the search field to find an existing design or choose to create a blank form if you want full control over layout and fields. Click Create Blank Form to open the editor. As you design, keep fields minimal to improve conversion and set the Submit Success message to clearly confirm opt-in. Navigate to the service section to switch context, then open Overview for a top-level snapshot, recent revenue attribution, deliverability indicators, and activity. From there, go to Audience. This is where lists and segments live. Confirm your master list is present and that profiles are syncing from your e-commerce platform or other tools. Next, open Growth Tools to review options that help you acquire and convert subscribers, including on-site forms and related features. Head to Content to manage assets and emails. Click Templates to browse starting points for both campaigns and flows. Use the search to quickly find a layout or create your own if you prefer a custom look that matches your brand. Finally, go to Analytics and open Dashboards. Here, assemble the metrics that matter most: engagement, revenue, list growth, and deliverability. Apply date ranges that align with your reporting cadence and save the layout for consistent weekly reviews. That's the core setup path. Follow this flow and you'll have a clear structure for sending, automating, capturing subscribers, and measuring results in Klaviyo.